Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can cover our face with emoji on our TikTok video. Okay, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can click on this plus button to start creating new post. And here I'm going to upload a video from my device. So I'm going to click on this upload button. And for example, I'm going to cover this girl's face with emoji. Okay, and we can click on the sticker option and we can choose emoji and select the emoji that you want to add to your video. For instance, I'm just going to select this emoji. Okay, and here if we want to cover our face with emoji, we can click on this emoji like this, and since the face is moving, I'm going to make the emoji follow this moving face. We can click on the emoji and click on pin. Okay, and here I'm going to drag the circle like this, and we can move the emoji right here to cover the face. And we can cover one by one like this until the rest of the video. Okay, wait guys. Okay, and I think it's done. I know it's maybe not perfect, but this is just for an example. You can do it by yourself. Okay, and this is the result. And I guess that's how we can cover our face with emoji on our TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.